Welcome to HBM, Precision and Innovation in CNC Robotics and Automation. We provide high-tech solutions for automation, including CNC controllers, USB DNC modules, encoder cards, and more. HBM CNC controllers control 2 to 6 axes with high precision, seamless integration with top CNC systems, optimized for automation and smart manufacturing. To improve data transfer in CNC systems, we offer advanced USB DNC modules. With Wi-Fi, LAN, and USB connectivity, they ensure fast and secure communication with brands like Heidenhain, Fanuc, and Siemens. Our encoder and drive tester is an essential tool for industrial maintenance. It supports TTL, HTL, 1VEP, and 11U app encoders, calculates PPR, tests servo drives and inverters, and offers PC monitoring. Thank you so much for your time. Experience the future of industrial automation with HBM and elevate your industry with us. We're excited to be a part of your journey with HBM.
Global horizons.